The most interesting thing is that you can actually import your data from OpenClaw for this setup. So let's now dive in and actually get this set up on the DGX Spark. So I'm SSH'd inside of Cursor into the DGX Spark that you see behind me on this shelf. That is a DGX Spark with 128 gigabytes of unified memory. And we're just going to run Hermes setup here. And the most interesting thing is that you can actually import your data from OpenClaw for this setup. So if you guys are using OpenClaw, you can actually just import all of your information from OpenClaw over to your new Hermes agent. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to be able to do a quick setup. So you can connect this with New Us Research subscription. So you can use their portal. You can use OpenRouter, Anthropic, OpenAI Codex. And I'm actually going to use OpenAI Codex, okay? Because I'm just going to be able to use my existing OpenAI subscription for this. So I'm gonna go to the URL real quick and I'm gonna authenticate and then we'll move on to the next step. Okay, login was successful and I'm now going to configure this with GPT 5.4, which brings me to the next step, which is actually configuring this with a messaging platform. So I'm going to set this up with Discord because I already have a Discord server where I manage my OpenClaw agents. So I'm going to set this up with Discord and that's going to be the next thing we're going to do, but this is going to take a little bit of time, but that's the next step. I'm going to just go here and select Discord. So let me do that real quick and then I'll be right back.